A major political and religious controversy is back in focus. This is the Tirupati Laddu, and one of India's most sacred offerings is at the center of fresh questions and conflicting claims and a damning investigation report. A former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has demanded a clean chit, insisting that the special investigation team has effectively closed the case, claiming that no animal fat was found in the laddus. But the Supreme Court appointed SIT report tells a very, very different story. 11-page report flags serious procedural lapses in the procurement of ghee used by the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam between 2019 and 2024. Lapses that investigators say opened the door to the adulteration.
भैया हमारा भगवान का प्रसाद में we are using nearly 14 tons of cow ghee daily, but between 2019 to 2024 that was not at all a ghee, that was fully adulterated, that is synthetic ghee. It's not good. The YCP government, anti-Hindu government, wantedly destroyed the sentiments of Balaji devotees and crores of Hindu devotees.
सर रूल्स टेंडर के लास्ट मिनट चेंज कर दिए गए थे, तो उसकी क्या ज़रूरत पड़ गई थी?
ये पैसा कमाने के लिए पूरा, और रेजोल्यूशन नंबर 371 YV सुब्बा रेड्डी वो टाइम में TTD चेयरमैन, वो टाइम में पूरा घी का टेंडर प्रोसेस में रिलैक्सेशन किया. वो अच्छा नहीं, भगवान के पास ऐसा नहीं करना है, क्योंकि ये करने के बाद वो बोले बाबा डेयरी को टेंडर में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए उसका क्या बताता है, उसका टेंडर में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए उसको मौका मिला.
सर आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट ने दोबारा से एक SIT का गठन करा है, तो उसका मेजर रीज़न क्या था? व्हाट वाज द मेजर रीज़न बिहाइंड इट?
बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू ना, रेजोल्यूशन नंबर 371 में अभी हमारा वो टाइम EO एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर अनिल कुमार सिंह सीनियर IAS थे, उसको अभी ट्रांसफ़र किया. इसके बारे में सीट में रेकमेंड किया उसको TTD से निकालने के लिए. और वो टाइम में रेजोल्यूशन पास किया ना, वो बोर्ड का चेयरमैन YV सुब्बा रेड्डी और मेंबर्स के उसके खिलाफ कुछ पनिशमेंट लेना है ना, इसलिए हम एडिशनल सप्लीमेंट्री चार्जशीट बनने के लिए बोर्ड लीगल ओपिनियन के साथ अभी CBI और सिट को एक लेटर डालने के लिए हम सोच रहे हैं.
सर इन द SIT रिपोर्ट उसके अंदर लैक्टा एसिड व्हिच इज यूज्ड इन द बाथरूम्स वो पाया गया है घी के अंदर. सो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट दैट?
ये बदमाश लोग हैं, ऐसा नहीं करना है भैया, क्योंकि वो घी है ना, प्योर काऊ घी से हम प्रसाद बनने वाले हैं. ये अडल्ट्रेशन के समय में वो बाथरूम को क्लीन करते हैं ना, वो एसिड डायरी सप्लायर्स है ना, उसको नियरली 8900 kgs वो डायरीज को सप्लाई किया. ये बहुत मन में क्या करना है, दुख की बात है, ऐसा नहीं करना है. भगवान के पास ये महापाप है. ये बदमाश लोग ऐसा कर लिया. इसके ये कोर्ट में, ये हमारा कोर्ट में एस्केप हो सकते नहीं के, लेकिन भगवान की कोर्ट है ना, उसमें भगवान नहीं छोड़ते बदमाश आदमी को, किसी को नहीं छोड़ते भगवान.
All right, more awards playing out there. I just want to go across to my colleague. I think we have Ashwarya with us. Ashwarya is joining us live. Ashwarya, SIT indicates tender norms were diluted, but we're seeing a war of words really play out. If you could help our viewers understand, what are different parties saying over this Laddu, the Tirupati Laddu case, which is back in the headlines?
So after the Supreme Court appointed SIT had filed its charge sheet and it's concluded its investigation, a major political storm between the YSRCP as well as the TTP erupted in Andhra Pradesh, saying that YSRCP on one side, that is the former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy himself, saying that he demanded a clean sheet from this entire case, saying that there was no mention of either animal fat or pig fat or even the use of fish oil in the making of the ghee. that was actually claimed by the TDP and which led to this entire SIT being formed is what the former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy was claiming, and he demanded that any of his ministers, any of his leaders are not mentioned in the charge sheet, and that is and this is only an entire political vendetta and to actually hurt the people's sentiments. The Chandrababu Naidu-led government had initiated this entire investigation into the Tirupati Laddu scam is what Jagan Mohan Reddy's government here is claiming after the conclusion of the SIT. But on the other hand, the SIT report and the TDP are claiming that we cannot negate the NDDB report which confirmed the percentages of this animal fat. Initially when the NDDB report had come, there was a mention of animal fat as well as the percentage of animal fat mentioned. So we cannot entirely negate that, and that is the reason SIT was formed, and that is the reason furtherly the SIT report has also mentioned systematic procedures and also the lack of proper system, and even the inspection reports were also tried to manipulate it to cater the Bole Baba Dairy Company, which provided this adulterated ghee. So it might not animal fat might not be clearly mentioned in the report, but what the SIT report is saying that the ghee is adulterated. There were chemicals that used to make this ghee that is not to be used is what the TTP government is saying, and that is the reason they have formed another committee also, and there is also a cabinet meeting that is being held today in Andhra Pradesh to further discuss the procedure on how and when this particular entire case should be taken forward.
Yes.
Because after the charge sheet, there's this trial going on in the Nellore Court, High Court as well.
Yeah.
So this is something
Ashura,
that should not be forgiving,
exactly.
and
So now we see
because
that
there's no animal fat.
CM Naidu's office has released a statement, and now they will start acting on the SIT's findings, like you were mentioning. So what can we expect next? Because it looks like those who are responsible for the adulteration will be taken to task, from what we understand.
This Chandrababu Naidu government is taking this particular thing very seriously, and what the Naidu government here is looking into is that the TDD officials as well, the procedural lapses, the systematic corruption that was also involved in this particular entire scam is what they are also looking into. The TTD government, the TDP government has also clearly mentioned that there's also systematic lapses, and there are a lot of TDD board members that are involved in this entire scam were involved. So they should also be equally punished, and with the help of the findings of the SIT, they are forming a further committee to probe into the systematic procedures as well.
All right, well, thank you for getting us all those details, Ashura. I'll be coming back to you for more on this developing story. And viewers, opposition MPs yesterday